Welcome to Aman Jaswal's YouTube channel. So here I am back again with the Osmo Mobile SE. This gimbal has 3-axis stabilization. It is light and weight and full of potential for making great videos with your iPhone. We have talked about the gimbal and all the various buttons that are available on it, how to attach the gimbal to the phone, some of the status lights on the panel, and today we are going to talk about the buttons available on the gimbal. So here is the M button. When the M button is powered off, if you press it once, it will check the battery level. You can see the battery level here. If you press and hold, it will power on the gimbal. When the gimbal is now powered on, if you press it once, it will switch between the gimbal modes. If you press it 3 times, it will enter the standby mode. Now you can press any button to exit from the standby mode. If you press and hold this button, it will power off. You can hold it for 20 seconds to force power off. The next one is the zoom slider. Here is the zoom slider. If you move it to the plus direction, it will enlarge the subject as you can see on my screen. Now if I move it to the minus direction, it will shrink the subject. Push the slider once to change the zoom once. If you press it continuously, the zoom will change continuously. Now here is the joystick. We can use this joystick to move vertically or horizontally to tilt and pan the mobile phone. The joystick controls the direction and this can be also set in the DJI memo. You can also use this joystick to navigate in the settings in the quick setting page. Now this is the shutter or record button. You can see the red dot on top of it. If you press once, it will take a photo or start or stop the recording. If you press and hold it, you can use it for burst shots in photo shooting mode. Now this is the switch button. If you press this switch button once, it will switch between front and rear cameras. If you press it twice, it will switch between landscape and portrait mode. If you press it 3 times, it will switch between photo and record mode. The feature can also be set to control quick settings in the DJI memo. Now here is the trigger. Press once to start or stop active track 5.0. This is required to be used in Memo. You can press twice to recenter the gimbal. When using active track 5.0, the gimbal will recenter to the center in the camera view. If you press once and then press and to hold to adjust the follow speed, to fast mode, release to exit. Next you can press and hold to enter the lock mode. In lock mode, the gimbal will not follow the handle's movements. You can release the button to exit the lock mode. Now here is the charging USB-C port. You can charge the Osmo Mobile by connecting the USB charger to this port. At the bottom of this gimbal, you have a UNC port. This can be used to attach the tripod. Here under this motor, we also have a screw hole. This is used to mount counterweights. The counterweight is used if a camera lens, microphone is mounted on the mobile phone. Make sure the total weight of these accessories is less than 200 grams. If you want to reset your Bluetooth name and connection and reconnect, press the switch button, the shutter record button and the trigger simultaneously for more than 1 second. This will reset your Bluetooth. In my next video, I will tell you the various operational modes in my gimbal. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that when I upload my next video, you can get notified. And please do not forget to comment. It would really help.